Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will see how to create the digital clock in Swing. For that, I just import a library of Java x.swing, import java.awt, and import java.text, and then import java.util. Okay. For that clock, I just implements runnable. Okay, so I just implement this runnable here because it's inherit from the runnable. Here I just create jframe and means as a variable and create the thread which is t is equal to null. So when we just always create a image, so we just create the thread for it. So int hours which start from 0, then minutes which also start from 0, and then seconds which is equal to 0. Now a string and time string y is equal to empty string. Okay, so now I just create a button, so j button which is b, and here I just create a method for clock, and then I just write f which is equal to new j frame. So I just create a j frame here. Okay, now I just write t which is equal to new thread, and thread which is this, and here I just start a thread. So b which is equal to new j button, and j button here, and then b dot set boundaries. So the boundaries here are 100, 100, 100 and 1, sorry, and the 50. Okay, now I just add the component here, so component is b, and then f dot set size, and the size here is 300 and 400. Okay, so this is the boundaries of this button, and now I just set the frame size and f dot set which is visible and it's true. Okay, now public void and run function. So here exception try while true, true, and it's a small tree. So when it's true, so here calendar call is equal to calendar dot get instance. Okay, so it will get the calendar instance, and then hours is equal to call dot get, and yes, it's our call dot get, and here I just write calendar dot hours underscore of a day, so it will get the hours of a day here. Okay, so it's a calendar, and here's calendar too. So now I just write if, and if hours is greater than 12, so hours is equal to 12, so this is decrement operator, and then minutes which is equal to call dot get, and get here is calendar dot minute. Okay, So it is calendar AR. Okay, so I just write calendar as a E, so calendar dot minute, and it's calendar dot minute. Okay, now seconds, which is equal to car dot get, and get here is calendar dot second of the day. Okay, now I just write sample date format. Okay, here I just write format for format, which is equal to new simple date format, and here I just write the format is hour, minutes, seconds. Okay, so this is our time format, and here I just write for as a keyword, so that why I just not use for, so I just write formatter. Okay, so here I just write date, and then date, which is equal to call dot get time. Okay, now time string, which is equal to for matter dot format, and then here I just write date. So print function, which is time. Okay, so it will print the time. Now t dot sleep, so it will sleep up to 1 second. Okay, so this interval gives into the milliseconds, I think. So catch and exception is catch here, exception E. Okay, and now after that, here I just write public void and print time function or a method. So b dot set and b dot set text, and text here is time string. Okay, so these are not the hours, this is hour of the day. Okay, now I just check the output, so I just not get the right output yet because I just not declared the main method. Okay, so public static void main and string arguments, and then new, which is clock. Okay, now I just run this code. So here you can see the time is shown to us on the frame. So this is a simple example of the digital clock in Java Swing. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in